cloud. I mean, I had it. Right now, it's the wall cloud right now, trying to form into something like a tornado. Oh yeah, it's honestly, honest to God. Oh wait, no, from the wall cloud. Yeah. Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. I'm actually shaking. Oh yeah. Yeah. No man, I'm telling you, it's trying to touch the ground. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm freaking shaking. Oh yes, yes, it's 3/4 of the ground. It's about, oh yeah, it's almost on the ground. Oh, it's slowly going back up. There. Right there. And I'm gonna call it in. It's on the ground, definitely doing its thing. About a mile south of Elie. I don't know, it might hit the town. I'm not sure based on where I'm hitting it. I think it might hit the town. I'm gonna zoom into the funnel. Oh yeah. Like I could see an elevator right behind the funnel. Like right now, yeah, it's still on the ground. It's kind of like, now it's more straight up and down now. It's not that, I mean, it's still skinny. I don't see any debris being kicked up right now. It's just probably over a field. It's on the ground. Yes. It's pretty big. It's doing its I think it's hitting a field right now, and I think it might hit the town. Ryan, this is freaky, man. I like to say that it has gotten bigger and it's still on the ground, and there's debris being kicked up now. Okay, all right. So, I don't see them, but there's lots of vehicles now up ahead. If I look pan to my right, they're all stopped on the side of the road, kind of watching it. It doesn't like, I mean, it's getting definitely closer, but moving very slowly. I don't know what storm velocity is on this storm, but it must be moving. It must be just trickling along. Okay, there's.
I don't know, did you seen it for a while?
Yeah.
Like when it came down once?
Yeah, went back up.
Wow.
It hasn't really moved very far though.
No, it hasn't.
How far would you say it's from the town?
A couple miles?
Ugh.
I mean, it looked like it was coming right down the road.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
Looks pretty sweet though, like.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen one before, so.
No, me neither. I've seen minimal funnel cloud, but
yeah.
Biggest.
Straight up and down too.
And it's been going for a while.
Well, I know. Usually they're the weak ones that just die off, eh?
Yeah. Where you from?
Oak Bluff.
Oh, really?
So I called it in when I saw it, and then just. Do you want a picture in front of it or something? May as well, eh? All right. 1, 2. Actually, I'll go like this. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Right on.
All right, take care, man.
Your name was?
Justin.
Right on.
What's your name? Jason. Nice to meet you.
Have a good one.
Take care, you too.
Yeah.
I'm taping it right now. Yeah. It's tearing shit up, man. I can hear it. Yeah. And Elie. It just went over the power lines. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear it. Yeah, I think it's hitting the town. Elie. I think it's either beside it or it's hitting it. Here, hold on. Yeah, I gotta take some pictures of this shit. Actually, it just went, about 10 seconds ago, it hit a power line. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same one. But I gotta go, Mocan. Later. Bye. All right, I think she's done. I'm gonna move just in case there's a reformation somewhere else.